Hello friends, today I have car unboxing. I was at birthday and I have on Black Friday camera. I got Sony ZV-E10. ZV-E10 looks like this in the box. They put sticker. So let's open the box. Not that easy. So now let me show what's inside. Here is the box. Here are papers. It looks like this. And we open like so. And inside we have camera. Wow, lens is already on. Then we have battery. Here is something else. Maybe this is battery, other one is maybe charger block. Then we have strap and USB cable to this will be probably the thingy. Let me turn on the car. Here we have thingy for camera that thing that we put on the mic. Here let's see what's inside. Battery NPFW50. And inside here is what? Is the charger block. Sony USB. You put here cable and I guess you connect camera with cable and then you charge camera with battery inside. Okay. Now to the camera, how it looks. Ta-da! Nice, legit. Looks like this. Here from this side looks like this. Here is mic input. Here is battery input. Let's put battery in. Okay, battery is in. It has zoom lens. Lens on. Yeah, we can put this thing on the microphone. Like so. Here is the lens. I can turn the camera on here, but it's not charged. Doesn't turn on. It's to be charged. I thought I would do some clip here. That's not good. Because I thought I would right away do some test here. Yeah, it's nice camera, just I could charge that. battery. Seamless looks like this. Okay, that's it. First impression and unboxing. Hope you enjoy such videos. Don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. Hope you enjoy, and I will do next videos testing it out, how it perform. 4K video test. So here is camera, new camera, Sony ZV-E10. This is in automatic mode, and I put tracking too, and 4K. So I wanna check out how it looks. Also I turn on that depth focus option. So now it's on and now it's off. So I can switch in between. Now is the focus option on in this 4K video test. And also there's option that you can put some product in focus when you film, right? So now focus is on my face, right? So I wanna show you guys something. Pretend as I'm vlogging, right? So I show you product. Here it should focus on it. Is it? No. Okay, it did. Does it focus back to my face? I don't know. Now product. I guess it's working. Let's try different product. So I also got at Best Buy this kind of thingy, which is tripod. Let's see, does it focus on it? I guess so. What else I wanted to show? As a video test, 4K quality, let's see. Here is orange. 4K quality, is it? Not sure. I show you something else. Apple. That was small test of Sony ZV-E10 video camera for vlogging, 4K quality standard with 4K movie on, and also it was automatic mode. That's what I wanted to say. Okay. How close can I put this camera to my face? Now I wanted to see how to film in wide focus area. So area focus is wide. Let's again try showcase, product showcase. So here's my product. Now face should be focused. In focus. Now second product. Now face. Now let's see, something like this. I got new product, which is cough syrup. See, it has to be a little bit far away. If too close, it doesn't focus. Okay, I guess it's understandable. 4K video test in low light. Here is automatic mode 4K in low light, lower light. And here some bananas, 4K, low light. Here is my teacup. I just noticed it was a little bit zoomed. Low light for 1K low light. Okay, that's it for this small video test of Sony ZV-E10 in 4K mode, automatic mode. Thank you for watching. If you like such videos, thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See you in the next one. Bye. So thank you for watching. See you in the next vlog. Bye.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.